Hi there. I need a ticket to Manchester.
Sure. When do you want to go?
I want to go today.
Okay. Do you want to leave now?
Yes, please. What time is the next train?
The next train is at 10:30.
Is that a direct train?
Yes, it is. No stops.
Great. How much is the ticket?
A single ticket is £40.
How much is a return ticket?
A return ticket is £70.
Okay, I will take the return ticket.
Good choice. When are you coming back?
I am coming back on Friday.
Okay. Any time on Friday?
Yes, any time is fine.
All right. Do you want a window seat?
No thanks. Can I have an aisle seat?
Let me check. Yes, I have one.
Perfect. Does the train have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free.
That is good. Is there food on the train?
Yes, there's a small cafe car.
Nice. So, £70, right?
Yes. How do you want to pay?
Can I use my card?
Sure. Just tap it here.
Okay. Did it work?
Yes. Here are your tickets.
Thanks. Which platform is it?
It is on platform 5.
Where is platform 5?
Just go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it is a 2-minute walk.
Okay. Is the train on time?
Yes, no delays today.
Good. Do I need to show my ID?
No, just show the ticket.
Can I show the ticket on my phone?
No, these are paper tickets. Keep them safe.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Do you have any bags?
Just this backpack. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine. It is free.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.